Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 UltraSync laptop, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this device. So there are three ways to do this. The first one is by double tapping or double clicking the tab bar of your application and then double clicking it again to demaximize it. You can grab the tab bar of your device alternatively and drag it to the top of your screen, then grab it and drag it down to demaximize it, and the last option is clicking this square icon right here and then clicking it again to demaximize it. And that's how you put applications on full screen on your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.